In the previous session, we discussed about AWS Cognito. So, as we know, AWS Cognito is used for adding sign in, sign up to the web or app, and we are having user pool and identity pool. So, now in this session, we are going to discuss what is the difference between user pool and identity pool with use cases. So, user pool use cases uses a user pool when you need to design, sign up and sign in web pages for your web or app. So whenever the cloud user wants to design the application or web pages with sign up and sign in, then user pool is needed. So here pool of user are going to maintain. So for example, let's say user 1, user 2, user 3, like that number of users are there having the password. Access and manage user data. So whoever is used to access which person. For example, so user 1 accessibility, user 2 accessibility. So like that access can be managed by using user pool. Track user device, location and IP addresses and adapt to sign in request of different risk level. So whenever it finds the access of any particular device, so it prompts the cloud user to provide the email ID or sign in username, like that with credential. Use a custom authentication flows of the application. In identity pool use cases, use the identity pool when you need to give your users access to AWS resources. So when the user wants to access the AWS resources, at that time we have to provide the identity accessibility, such as Amazon Simple Storage Service, S3 bucket or DynamoDB table. Generate temporary AWS credential for unauthenticated users.